Hello everyone, Namaskar. Happy Posh Sankranti to you and your family. Makar Sankranti or Posh Sankranti is a harvest festival celebrated in West Bengal, Assam and in parts of eastern India. The rituals and the traditional customs revolve around special foods specially made from rice, and the most common food for celebration is Pithe, and hence it is also known as Posh Parpon or Pithe Parpon. So in this auspicious occasion, I am going to share traditional authentic Bengali Pithe with all of you guys in my version of twist. Hope you all like this. So let's get started. First, for making the pithe dough, take 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Also add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add 2 boiled sweet potatoes or ranga aloo. One-fourth teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, and mix it very well. Now add half teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee and mix it. Now on the other side, roast some nuts. For this, add half teaspoon of clarified butter into a hot karai. Add some chopped pistachios, chopped cashews, and chopped almonds, and roast it very well. These nuts will be used for garnishing. Now for making chocolate coconut stuffing, I am gonna add half teaspoon of clarified butter into a hot karai. Then add 1 cup of grated coconut and roast it. Add half a cup of sugar. Mix it very well. Now add the main ingredient, 50 gram of dark chocolate. Mix this all together very well. Now the next process is making chocolate milk rabri. For that I am taking 1 liter of full fat cream milk. Let it boil on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, three tablespoons of sugar, one-fourth teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Also add 50 gram of dark chocolate. Now let the milk boil for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame.
Now moving towards the process of making Puli Pithe. For that, knead the dough little bit and divide into equal portions. Now flatten the portion little bit and stuff with coconut chocolate ball. Seal it very well so that coconut stuffing doesn't come out. Now the final step is making chocolate fruit puli. For that, add all the pulis one by one into the boiled milk. And let it boil on low flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the moisture is reduced and the milk is thickened. Finally, garnish it with roasted cashews, pistachios and almonds. Your chocolate Puli Pitha is ready. The richness of chocolate will melt in the mouth from the inside as well as the outside of the puli. Hope you all love the taste. Enjoy!